Also included in new state laws, bans to fund Planned Parenthood in Missouri. The group or any affiliate of an abortion provider can't access Medicaid funding. New at 6, our Missouri Capitol Bureau Chief Joe McClain reports on legal efforts to fight the new laws.
Planned Parenthood's Missouri chapters are not abortion providers because abortion's illegal in the state of Missouri. But Republican state lawmakers passed a law this past year that said if you're an entity that is even affiliated with an abortion provider out of state, that's enough for you to get cut off from Medicaid funding.
Planned Parenthood's Missouri chapters, Great Rivers and Great Plains, argue the law unfairly discriminates against the organization.
More importantly, they're discriminating against patients who seek the services that we provide. I think their response would be, well, they can go anywhere else. But we have a system where there are too few Medicaid providers, too many people who are trying to get in for services, and we are eager to provide them, we're qualified to provide them, and patients want to come to us.
Missouri's Planned Parenthood facilities have stayed open since abortion became illegal in 2022 and continued to accept Medicaid patients through rates supplemented by donations. The facilities offer not abortions, but birth control, cancer screenings, STI testing and treatment, annual exams, and other reproductive health care services. This year's law is the latest in a years-long attempt to legally cut off the Planned Parenthood organization from state funds. House Budget Director Cody Smith speaking when the law was signed.
Beginning back in 2016, I believe it was, we were working through this in the appropriations process and tried a couple different ways to make this happen, and had a couple of Supreme Court decisions that said we need to codify this in state law.
In February, a previous attempt to defund Planned Parenthood was rejected by the Missouri Supreme Court, which ruled lawmakers can't write the provider out of the state budget. Now, the court will weigh the same move when done through state law. In Jefferson City, Joe McClain, First Alert 4.